Hey, this is the 2013 Subrosa Malum. This is my bike. I'm gonna do a bike check video. So yeah, I have ODI long necks, Subrosa bars. I believe 8.5 rise, 28 wide. Subrosa stock stem. Subrosa forks, Shadow Undertaker tire. Shadow Rant front rim, Shadow Rant hub, and it's female. A Shadow one-piece seat post combo. Shadow Rant cranks, Shadow Conspiracy Ravager pedals. Same thing with the back. A Shadow Undertaker. Shadow Rant hub. Another Shadow Rant rim. A Shadow Interlock V2 half-link chain. This is what the cassette sounds like. Pretty loud. I mean, I think I've heard louder, but it doesn't matter. Yeah. I have. Yeah, I don't have. Oh yeah, I'm taking off the brakes. Overall, I think it's a good bike. I mean, the tires are. They squeak and they don't really wear. They're just like, if you run brakes, obviously any tire's gonna wear. That's why I'm taking them off. I don't really want them to wear because they're really awesome. And yeah, bye.